CAT is important to Charlottesville and the surrounding community because it keeps it connected.
I think it's important that we're able to get people that don't have automobiles or any kind of transportation to go get their groceries, to go pay their bills or whatever they need to do.
I think CAT is important because we are trying to get the people from point A to point B safe and on time.
We have more and more cars on the road. We have more and more congestion. I see transit as the answer to and solution to this problem.
Even if you have alternate means of transportation, sometimes it's just more convenient.
The workplace culture at CAT is great because everybody plays an important part.
Everybody here from the bottom up is a leader.
Working at CAT means the world to me.
The team at CAT makes you feel like a family from the first day. You're welcomed in.
The job is a good job. It's a really good paying job. It has very good benefits. And the people I work with are great people.
What I love about working at CAT is not just a job, but it is a career.
There is room to grow here. We have ASE certification program, and we have one of the highest starting pays in the area.
This is a place that you could build your career and support your family.
A good person to thrive here is someone that is career-oriented, work-oriented.
Someone that has good customer service skills, someone that really wants to be a valued asset of the community.
Somebody who's a self-starter, just kind of looks at work assignments and takes the initiative.
The type of person that thrives at CAT is somebody who isn't afraid to learn.
I would say if you're looking to apply here at CAT, that you better hurry up and do it because we're filling up. People want this job. It's a job that's very rewarding, serving your community.
Great benefits, so you got great people.
If you want to be part of the team to keep Charlottesville moving, apply today at catchthecat.org.